This is a product knowledge important. Your colors, your front line, your acquisition teams, second line, they need to understand that they're selling inside out. They're getting to know people, to be liked by these people, these sellers, to understand situations. So they can actually say, okay, I'm gonna identify what's the best option for this person. But if these team members on your team, they don't understand different solutions and situations, and they are not familiar to some situations and how to deliver the specific solutions and how to deliver the message, you're gonna mess up. You're gonna lose so much business because you need your people to be knowledgeable, to sound different, to come from value and not for scarcity or from fear. Oh, I need to generate leads. Yes, production is very important, but once you get a person, when you're talking to someone, it's very important and more important than anything that you actually connect with the person and get to understand their needs, and then you can actually point them in the right direction.